becoming familiar and navigating around in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged in to Plesk. Now let's learn more about Plesk, the features available, and how to navigate the various available pages. We are currently signed into the homepage of Plesk for the domain name demo1234.com, which you can always get back to by clicking here. Click the desktop link. We are now on the desktop page, a new feature in Plesk 8, which contains quick links to commonly used tools in Plesk. Let's take a look around. Scroll right. Scroll down. As well as providing quick links to commonly used tools, the desktop also displays some quick statistics like disk space usage, traffic limit, etc. Scroll down. There is also a Favorites section that has links to the most recently used tools in the account. Now let's click the Home link here. There are many tools available from the home page and are therefore divided into different groups. The Domain group has tools like reports, limits, domain aliases, and the Backup tool. The Services group has tools like Mail, DNS, and databases. Scroll down. The Hosting group is where you'll find things like setting up your hosting, creating web users' subdomains, using File Manager, and SSH. Scroll down. At the bottom of the homepage, you can view specific information about this domain, like how much storage space is being used and what's allowed, etc. Now let's click the Sessions link here. The Sessions Management page allows you to see how many people are currently logged in to your Plesk account. This shows that we are the only one logged into Plesk for this account, since the listed IP address is ours. Click the FTP Sessions link here. There is currently nobody using FTP for our domain, otherwise they would be listed here. Click here to return to the home page. This is the end of the tutorial. You should now be more familiar with Plesk, its various feature screens, the new desktop, and some of the tools available. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.